Hi guys, in this video we want to add Firebase to our Flutter app from the very easy way. In this tutorial we work with the Firebase CLI. You can install this with the exe file, download it and then install that, and uh, you should be logging Firebase in your command line with this command firebase login. And next one is activate Flutterfire CLI for pop command. In here we should be run this command start pub global activate Flutterfire CLI to use Flutterfire in pub as a globally, and it's added. Okay, and we have a access Flutterfire command in command line. Okay, it's adding, and then we should be run Flutterfire configure command for configure this Flutter project for Firebase app. Flutterfire automatically adds Windows, no, excuse me, web, Android, iOS, and Mac OS Firebase app to Flutter project, and it's very easy to very easy way to add Firebase to our Flutter app. In here I run Flutterfire configure, and next one is excuse me, in here you can choose your Firebase project. I choose this and it's not asked for from me, asked for me, and it's fetching available Firebase projects, and then ask the what's your platform, and you can choose the web, Android, iOS, and macOS to add Firebase project to your Flutter app. And next one is this. In Android folder, in the build.gradle file, we should be add a new class path for use Firebase in our Flutter app. We should be add this class path Google GMS service for use Firebase, and this is the class path. You can copy this from the Android installation guides, and okay, in here we can choose the Firebase project. It's my Firebase project, and which platform should your configuration support? I choose all and press the enter button, and it's adding. Okay, it's completed, and I close from this. And after added class path, you should be add a new line in Android app build.gradle. You should be apply Google GMS service plugin to use it. In here we should be add this line next this line, or this. In the apply plugins we should be add apply plugin com.com Google GMS service, and save it. Next one is we should be add SHA-1 hash to app fingerprints. In here you can see a flutter is here. You can see apps in here in the terminals, adding the Firebase projects, Android app added. In here you can see Android app, it's loading. Okay, you can see Android app in here. I click on this and click on settings, and you should be add a SHA certificate fingerprint. To get it, you should be run this command. You should be go to the Android directory and run this command, gradle, gradle w, and sign in report. Okay, and it's get to you SHA-1 fingerprint, and you should be add this in here. You add fingerprint in here and your app is running with Firebase after running. Okay, it's Firebase, add Firebase to your projects tutorial. I hope you enjoy from this video. If you like this video, make sure click the like button in bottom of this video, and make sure click on the subscribe button and click on the bell and choose all videos. Until the next video, bye guys.